Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to download Facebook videos on your iPhone. So first thing first, open the specific video, then click on three dots right here and click copy link right here. Then after that, just go to your browser and in a search bar typing snapsave.app and go search right here. So after that, just paste video link right here and click download. So after that, you'll see the quality of video, so just choose quality and click download right here and download again. So now it's all done. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.